Hello, welcome back to Learn Nweh online lessons. Today we are going to learn how to conjugate the base form of the verb to be. To be in Nweh is mbu, mbu, or lebu, lebu. I have noticed in Nweh the base form of the verb to be mbu, mbu can be used in the future tense and also when expressing ability with the word can. If you have some other base form mbu beside these two, please put it in the comment section below. The base form of the verb to be in Nweh: I am mbu, he or she is jibu, you are gobu, we are bubu, they are bubu. The base form of the verb to be in the future tense in Nweh: I will be home is mbundia, mbundia. He or she will be home jibundia, jibundia. You will be home gobundia, gobundia. We will be home bubundia, bubundia. They will be home bobundia, bobundia. Now, on the other hand, the base form of the verb to be in the present tense in Nweh, we drop the bu, okay, and just say I am home would be mundia. He is home would be jundia. You are home gondia. We are home bundia. They are home bondia. And if you want to place emphasis on the fact that you are home in a way, you will say mumandia, jumandia, gomandia, bumandia, bomandia. Okay? In a way, can or to be able to is mbu, mbu, or le kuale, le kuale. For example, I can speak in Nweh is Mbusongwe, Mbusongwe. He or she can speak in Nweh is Jibusongwe, Jibusongwe. You can speak in Nweh is Gobusongwe, Gobusongwe. We can speak in Nweh is Bubusongwe, Bubusongwe. And they can speak in Nweh is Bubusongwe, Bubusongwe. And for to be able to, we have I am able to speak in Nweh would be Munkuale Songwe. He or she is able to speak in Nweh Jikuale Songwe. You are able to speak in Nweh Gokuale Songwe. We are able to speak in Nweh Bukuale Songwe. They are able to speak in Nweh Bokuale Songwe. Let's do some exercises. Tegubeti. Tegubeti. How do we say I am home in Nweh? Beliole, I am home. Nweh lako. Beliole, I am home. Nweh lako. How do we say I will be home in Nweh? Beliole, I will be home. Nweh lako. Beliole, I will be home. Nweh lako. How do we say I am able to speak in Nweh in Nweh? Beliole, I am able to speak in Nweh. Nweh lako. Beliole, I am able to speak in Nweh. Nweh lako. How did you do? Begu lako. Begu lako. Tell us in the comment section below. So wabu abe comment achenesi. So wabu abe comment achenesi. Great job. Go gubechi mba. Go gubechi mba. Bye. Whoa.